Hello, Oklahoma. Emma White here with your weekly Mesonet weather report. The last several weeks we have talked about winter wheat, so I thought this week I would spend instead talking about temperature. The last several days have been hitting above average high temperatures across the state. As a result, we're a little warm for this time of year. This graph from the Norman Mesonet station shows the departure from average of temperature the last few months. The black indicates average, so the red line when it's above the black line indicates above average, and when the red line is below the black line, the temperature is below average. As you may remember, that dip in temperature at the beginning of September has now been followed by temperatures generally above average the last few weeks. The warm temperatures are expected to hang around a bit. This map shows the forecasted highs for Saturday, October 4th. These temperatures are representative of the next several days to come. Thus, you can expect above average temperatures for a little while longer. Don't you worry though, a few months from now you'll be reminiscing about these warmer days. With the above average temperatures, the cattle are still uncomfortable heading into October. This Cattle Comfort Index map is for Tuesday, September 30th, and these maps have been similar to this one all week. The Cattle Comfort Index is expected to remain looking like this for a little while longer. Thus, the cattle will require an above-average water supply during this time. At this time of year, even though air temperatures are above average, the soil has actually cooled quite a bit at 2 inches deep. The temperatures are now in the 60s and low 70s at 2 inches in the soil. These are ideal temperatures for planting winter wheat. Gary McManus is up next with your state climatology report.
Thanks, Emma, and good morning, everyone. Well, September's in the record books, and it wasn't as great as we were hoping. As always, however, we will start with the newest drought monitor map. Now, what you're going to notice about this map is there's lots more of those yellow colors. That signifies abnormally dry conditions, and for the drought monitor, it's not drought, but it does show areas that are in danger of going into drought in this case. So if you see some more yellow colors than what you were expecting, those areas need rain. And we do have a bit more moderate drought. Those areas where the moderate drought already existed expanded a bit, so we do have drought on the move in Oklahoma. We definitely need some rainfall. Our September rainfall will show us why. This September rainfall map from the Oklahoma Mesonet, way too many of those blue colors on the map, which signify less than an inch of rainfall. For the statewide, it was the 27th driest September on record, dating back to 1895, at about an inch and a half below normal. Now, you can see there in central Oklahoma, lots more of those blue colors. For central Oklahoma, it was the 8th driest on record, at nearly 3 inches below normal on average. So some places got some good rains, but those are few and far between, unfortunately. How about for October? What are we seeing from the Climate Prediction Center? Well, the temperature outlook shows increased odds of above normal temperatures across the entire state, and also increased odds of below normal precipitation across the entire state, but especially once again across that southeastern 2/3 to 3/4 of the state. So definitely not good news in these outlooks for October if they come true. So it wasn't good news that we went largely without during September, but certainly we can get some big time rains in October. It's not showing up anytime soon, but hopefully as we get into the second and third week, we can get some rainfall in here. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.